concern for our homeland, so I know. So he's gonna, when we come up, part of writing, composing, singing, and sharing is so that we maintain the narrative, people can know the stories, and the backstory behind why we live. Celebrate all the beauty of our homeland, from the mountain to the sea. There's a place that I come from, on the east side of Maryland, where blue meets blue, from the ocean and sky become fun. Where the mountains and the sea, they call out to me, come over. And the peaceful sound of waves come rolling in. While we know no other place to be. While we know look where we'll come to see. Kurahibana, Kukulaibi, who I love her. The Kupunan, the Keiki, the Malaya and the gentle breeze is circling, there's more to swim on by. These years of ancient days take me back to another time. That Pohonu and Kopo, ancestors came to know this place so fine. Wamanalo, no other place to be. Wamanalo, look where all come to see. Kurahibana, Kukulaibi, who I love her.
Give us some chemo Aurora.
Smoke high. My hometown we call God's country, Guatemala.
Original